Spartans were renowned for their muscular and well-defined physiques. Achieving a Spartan body typically involves developing a balanced and proportionate muscular structure, especially in the chest, arms, shoulders, back, and legs. One might wonder if the pursuit of a Spartan body is primarily about aesthetics, or if it carries deeper implications for discipline, mental toughness, and personal growth. The answer is yes. The pursuit of a Spartan body goes beyond mere aesthetics. While striving for a Spartan-like physique can certainly result in an aesthetically appealing body, the true value lies in the journey and the lessons learned along the way. Spartans maintained low body fat levels, allowing their muscle definition to stand out. To achieve a Spartan body, you need to keep your body fat percentage relatively low. This is often achieved through a combination of exercise, nutrition, and caloric control. Spartans were warriors, and their training focused on functional strength and endurance. This means your workouts should prioritize not only muscle growth, but also functional movements like squats, deadlifts, and bodyweight exercises that enhance overall physical capability. Let's start with exercises. Squats, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 30, 60 seconds. This is a full body strength workout. You can always optimize it for yourself, but this is what we recommend. Moving on to upper body workout. Bench press or push-ups, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Pull-ups or lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Dumbbell shoulder press, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. To achieve a Spartan body, you need to keep your body fat percentage relatively low. Here is the cardio and conditioning workout. Running or cycling, 30-45 minutes. Running is the best option. Lower body workout. Lunges, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps per leg press or squats, 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 30, 60 seconds. Pursuing a Spartan body requires a high level of discipline in both training and nutrition. This discipline can extend into other aspects of life, helping individuals develop better time management, goal-setting skills, and a strong work ethic. The challenges and physical demands of achieving a Spartan body can test one's mental resilience. Overcoming obstacles, pushing through plateaus, and enduring rigorous training can build mental toughness and grit that can be applied to various life situations. Achieving a Spartan body requires a disciplined diet. This typically involves a balance of macronutrients, including lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Monitoring calorie intake is important for maintaining or losing weight. Adequate hydration and quality sleep are essential for muscle recovery, overall health, and achieving a Spartan physique. A Spartan body is not only about the body, it's about developing discipline, resilience, and personal growth while adopting a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and comment.